Access to the system is restricted by a user password to ensure data integrity, as well as to personalize the elements of the Kaizen system here integrated. Access can be granted to all members of the plan organization, this including the direct personnel. Once the access has been granted, the first screen that pops up is the safety report that contains the number of days without recordable accidents, past due, and in-process activities. This report is also linked to the Kaizen system to note and follow up on the reported accidents, near misses, and or safety opportunities. Directly from this interactive report, we can navigate and get specific details about ideas, trend by week, status and performance of tasks assigned to specific team members, and or a Pareto table by production or workstation area, like in this case. Closing the safety report, the next automatic screen that we will see is the personal Kaizen agenda that shows the user's Kaizen performance status, the number of Kaizen items that are already past due, the ones that are still open and under review by the team leader, and the number of actions pending to be reviewed in this position as a leader. This is the Radar Mass main screen, and at the top we will find the safety report, which is the one that just went over a minute ago. In here you can get access to this report once again. Okay. Right below is the Kaizen module that contains all the different PDCA action lists being deployed plant-wide, and also has a direct access to the Kaizen plant progress report. From here, we can monitor the plant overall current status when talking about continuous improvement actions, and at the same time, we can directly monitor the different team members that were assigned with particular activities here. We can also navigate directly from the interactive report. The Kaizen module is an amazing tool to make sure that the things are timely and effectively completed, to enhance employee engagement and teamwork. Just imagine the power of having all the PDCAs available at the tip or at the click of the mouse. And having these PDCAs real-time updated. On the right, now we have the corrective action module, which is intended to prepare formal corrective action reports and following the AD approach, cabinet trigo, is this not, 5 whys, and so on. Next, we have the audit module that is intended to fulfill the complex tasks required by most of the quality systems and customer requirements. This is an automated and self-administrated way of programming, performing, and monitoring the execution of the internal audit process. And at the same time, to make sure that all the open items coming from these audits are timely and effectively closed. And as you will note from now on, main screen follows the Deming PDCA cycle approach, starting with the production scheduling module, which is intended to provide live communication channel between production scheduling, material handling, to perform the kits preparation, and of course the production supervisors. At the same time, providing detailed schedule adherence results plan-wide. The production reporting module is the soul of RadarMass, and from here and following the production run approach for traceability purposes, we will be able to gain access to professional standardized reports that will be later on used to drive our continuous improvement actions. This is the view of the production report, and once the information is entered, we can obtain valuable information by clicking on the production pools report. Here we can observe that there are some pokajokis and foolproof procedures to prevent unintended or error data entering into the system. The production pools report contains all, at the click of your mouse, the critical details that have direct impact to the operation from one single page, and clicking on the specific cell that we are interested in, we can gain access to the detailed information. For example, the production report, the column of the DL requires per the sales projection, the HR, the direct labor allocation, the absenteeism, the non-productive areas, the temporal transfers of DL personnel from one area to another, the efficiency details. Okay, I'm clicking on a different production area. Okay, the all kind of process breakdowns with enough detail to start having a good understanding and prepare corrective actions. The impact of the downtime to a particular production area, the production details of the part numbers that were run and the efficiency results, including the details of downtime and quality performance, the scrap results to understand which part numbers were thrown away and the quantities and cost, and internal PPM. Okay, showing a Pareto table with the top quality issues, and this connected to the Kaizen system to make sure that we have actions in place being done, and the opportunity to open a quick Kaizen in case we have an idea how to solve a particular issue, and of course the customer concerns. Next is the human resources module that contains several other sub modules to take care of daily activities in a manufacturing process, such as new employees hiring, the employee resignations, permanent transfers from one area to another one, the absenteeism control system. This is an interaction between our production supervisors and our HR department. It also provides immediate statistics of who is not attending in a particular day. The turnover follow-up as well. Okay. the overtime module, vacation module, and the direct labor allocation to fully understand where the different DL employees are located. The scrap module, which was designed to administrate the never-ending task of scrap ticket generation, and provides a way to obtain electronic approvals by the different positions or required persons. This is an example of the scrap ticket, which is connected to the bill of materials. And this is the scrap ticket's approval screen. That is password restricted to prevent unintended approvals. The financial audit. This is particularly important before disposing the scrap material. And the generation of scrap packs to be entered into the ERP system. This module will provide the visibility and prevent the errors of typing mistakes, lack of information, and omissions that a manual scrap reporting system may have. From here, we can go to the reporting screen and start getting the benefits of having this information available. This is an example of a scrap report. We can navigate from the general to the specific and get the details of which are the top items that require our attention. The next module is the process breakdowns or downtimes, and from here this is also connected to the production report, so we have the opportunity to link the production runs to a specific downtime that we may have. We also have the opportunity here to respond to the downtime events by responsible person, and also to approve those downtime events by the production supervisor or responsible of the area being impacted by the process breakdown. Statistics about how is being administrated the downtime reporting system with direct access to the downtime events. Same as in the scrap reporting system, we have the opportunity to go and obtain professional reports and details about the downtime by production area or by cows, taking this from the general to the specific, and be prepared to start deploying corrective actions or Kaizen activities. The quality module has 8 different sub-modules that works more or less the same way as the scrap and downtime reporting system. And we have a module for product audits, process audits, internal containment actions, external containment actions, supplier quality, customer quality, cost of poor quality, and control of non-conforming product. From here, and once all the information has been entered into the system, we have the operations KPI report that is a powerful tool, because from here we can go and have direct access from a period of time, talking about productivity, for example. And from here we can go from the general to the specifics. For example, in here we are saying that the plant efficiency is running at 95.9%, and from here we can get the details of a particular production date, or a particular ppm performance. For example, this one, the 912, with two Pareto tables in here that provide specific information about which were the top areas having problems, and a Pareto table by defect code. We can also navigate and check for specific information. For example, this 31 report, these 31 defects, which were the rejects in concern, and if there is a Kaizen being work on that particular reject, and or by area. In this case, this is the area 77, and or in the case of there is nothing we are doing right now, we can initiate another Kaizen activity quick and easy. This is the efficiency report. From here we can get a specific information about a particular production area or workstation. Just clicking here. Get the specifics of this particular area and production date. If we are investigating about IPPM or downtime. And so on for the other production or productivity or downtime, scrap, quality audits, customer quality, absenteeism, turnover, etc. Thank you.